Warehouses are engineered for velocity. Conveyor belts hum, forklifts pivot, and goods move in a constant, calculated flow. But the moment a truck backs into the loading bay, that momentum hits a wall. The bottleneck isn't the physical unloading, it's the goods receipt note, or GRN. This is the exact moment where physical cargo must be translated into digital data. The problem is one of geography. The cargo is sitting right on the dock, but the central SAP system, the brain of the operation, is locked inside a fixed terminal. Workers manually unload a pallet, walk away from the goods, and wait for an open terminal to begin typing. This data entry often occurs hours after the physical receipt. That physical distance between the goods and the terminal creates a dangerous operational latency. Supply chain momentum dies because the physical movement of inventory has outpaced the digital record. The physical delay triggers an immediate collapse in data integrity. That gap in time begins to corrupt the records themselves. During those missing hours between unloading and manual entry, handwriting gets misread and paperwork gets misplaced. Errors compound when the person typing the data is no longer looking at the physical shipment. This dual timeline compares physical goods arriving against delayed SAP acknowledgement. The expanding space is the error gap. Inside, inventory stays out of sync. Managers assume parts are missing, and quality flags appear long after compromised pallets have moved into the warehouse. The central SAP system is intended to be the single source of truth, but when it relies on delayed entry, it stops managing the present and starts recording a flawed history. Resolving this requires shifting data geography. Instead of walking to a fixed terminal, put the device in the worker's hand at the point of receipt. CLTech engineered this shift through a custom SAP Fiori mobile application. Warehouse staff now scan or manually select purchase orders on mobile devices the moment a shipment comes off the truck. The exact second a scan occurs, a real-time inventory update is pushed directly into the SAP core. This diagram shows the direct architecture of the solution. Data moves instantly from the mobile point of origin to the SAP hub. This direct connection functions without third-party middleware or parallel systems that typically cause friction or translation errors. System accuracy improves because the physical receipt and the digital entry now occur simultaneously at the exact same location. Real-world loading docks are messy, trucks arrive with missing boxes, and transit often leaves goods damaged. The mobile app allows workers to process partial GRNs dynamically. They no longer have to abandon a shipment to resolve discrepancies at a desk. Quality holds are locked down, and returns are flagged directly from the shop floor. This map shows a damaged pallet being digitally locked at the loading dock. This instant quarantine prevents its movement lines from ever entering the main storage grid. By providing point-of-origin controls, you physically prevent bad inventory from ever infecting the broader supply chain. The physical gap between actual inventory and SAP data has been reduced to zero. This solution operates as a native Fiori extension, maintaining a direct connection to the SAP environment with no third-party middleware. CLTech Global built this solution based on an average of 25 years of SAP field experience per team member. The application is designed to fit your existing data models and your team's specific workflow without a heavy retraining burden. Consider the hidden operational cost of your team still walking across a warehouse just to confirm a receipt. Eliminating that walk is the key to 21st century warehousing. Contact CLTech Global at cltechglobal.com to permanently solve your SAP bottlenecks.